Hello my dears, happy morning to all. Welcome to English time. Hope all of you fine at your home, isn't it? In previous class, we learned a new poem, The Soccer Fun. Soccer Fun. Did you get the poem? Did you understand the poem? Okay, today we are going to learn the activities of the poem, Soccer Fun. Okay, all of you take your textbook. All of you take your textbook. Page number 10. All of you take page number 10. In that page you can see show what you know. First activity, show what you know. Look at that. A. What do the players do with the ball in the game? What do the players do with the ball in the game? What is the answer? Yes. Choose words from the poem and write in your notebook. Choose words from the poem and write it in your notebook. Okay. What is the answer? Yes, very good. All of you look at the board. I will give the answer here. The players dribble, hit and kick the ball. Dribble, hit and kick the ball. Okay. Players dribble, hit and kick the ball. That is the answer. Okay. Look at the B question. Read the following lines and answer the questions that follow. You have to answer for these questions. First one, boys and girls, banners and fans. Boys and girls, banners and fans. A. Where were the boys, girls, banners and fans? Where were the boys, girls, banners and the fan? Where you can see that? Yes, very good. In the stadium, we can see all these things, all this in stadium. Okay, in the stadium. That is the answer. B. What game was being played though? What game was being played though? What is the game? Yes, all of us know that football. Football. Then C. How many players were there? How many players were there? Yes, 22. Each team 11 members. So 11 plus 11, 22. Then D. How did the fans show their happiness? How did the fans show their happiness? Yes, they were clapping loudly. They were clapping loudly. The fans were clapping loudly. That is the answer. Look at the second one. It hits the net. He misses the goal. It hits the net. He misses the goal. A. What hits the net? What hits the net? Yes, the ball hits the net, isn't it? The ball, that is the answer. Then B. Who misses the goal? Who misses the goal? The goalie misses the goal. The goalie. The goalie is the answer. C. How do the opponents react to the goal missed? How do the opponents react to the goal missed? When the goal missed, that time what is the reaction of the opponents? What was the reaction? Yes, opponents shout, jump and roll. Opponents shout, jump and roll. That is the answer. Then look at the third question. Between goal pause to continue the fun. Between goal pause to continue the fun. A. What were the players doing between the goal post? What were the players doing between the goal post? What is the answer? Okay, look at the board. They were running between goal posts to continue the fun. They were running between the goal posts to continue the fun. Isn't it? Yes. Look at the B. How many goal posts are there in the game of soccer? How many goal posts? Yes, 2 goal posts. Each team have 1, then 2 goal posts. Isn't it? Okay. C. What fun is being continued? What fun is being continued? Fun of playing soccer. That is continued. Fun of playing soccer. Okay. Now we finished the first activity. Show what you know. Look at the second activity. Word smart. Word smart. What can be the next rhyming word in the row? We have to find out the rhyming words. Keep adding one letter to each word you make. You have to add one letter to each word you make. Observe the example. See if you can still keep adding. Okay, there is an example for you. You have to look at that first. After that, you have to write that. Okay, first one, there is 4 letters, 5 letters, then 6 letters, 7 letters. 4 letters, first one, fans. F-A-N-S, fans. There is 4 letters. Next one, hands. Hands. Same sound is ending, so that is rhyming word. Hands. There is 5 letters. Then 6 letters word. What is the 6 letters word? Stands. Stands. Then 7 letters word is strands. Strands. Okay, these are the clue. Then we have to make the left. Second one, side. Side. You have to find out the rhyming words. Can you do that? Okay, I will help. Look at the board. Side, tried, beside, preside. Once more I will read. Side, tried, beside, preside. These are the letters. Sorry, these are the words. Third one, ball. Ball. Can you? Okay, look at the board. Ball, small, scroll, install. Ball, small, scroll, install. These are the words, rhyming words. Then fourth one, will. First word is given here, will. Skill. Will, skill, thrill, instill. Will, skill, thrill, instill. These are the rhyming words. If you can find out other words, you can write it in your notebook. Okay. Take next page, page number 11. There is next activity, dictionary focus. Dictionary focus. This is the homework for you. This is the homework for you. I will read the question. There are certain words in the poem that tell us about gestures. Find at least 5 such words. 5 such words you have to find. Okay. One has been written for your help. There is one clue is the look for the other 4. You have to find out the other 4. Then look up their meanings in the dictionary and write it in your notebook. After writing the words, you have to find out the meanings too. Okay. First one, there is a clue for you, cheering. It's a type of gesture, cheering. Okay. You have to find 4 other words. You have to find 4 other words. Then next one, look at the next activity, thinking caps on. Thinking caps on. There are several sports which are played using a ball. There are several plays. Several sports are there with using ball. Some sports are given below. Read the clues carefully and match them to their correct balls. Read the clues carefully. There are some clues. Then match them to their correct balls. Match them to their correct balls. There is some balls also here. Okay. We have to correct that. First one, dribbled, passed and thrown in opponent team's basket. Which ball? There is tennis, volleyball, basketball, football, cricket. What is the answer? Yes, very good. First one, basketball, isn't it? Basketball. Look at the second one. Kick to enter the opponent's goal post. Kick to enter the opponent's goal post. What is the answer? Yes, it's football. We already learned that. Hit over the net with a racket. Third one. Hit over the net with a racket. What is that? Tennis. Tennis, isn't it? Yes. Fourth one. Hit with a bat to score runs. Hit with a bat. What is the sport? Yes, cricket. All of us know that. Fifth one. Hit over the net with hands and arms. Hit over the net with hands and arms. What is that? Yes, volleyball. Volleyball, isn't it? Once more I will read. First one, basketball. Second one, football. Third one, tennis. Fourth one, cricket. Fifth one, volleyball. Did you get that? Okay. Other activities we can discuss in next class. Now it's time to wind up our today's class. See you in next class. Have a nice day.